So welcome back everyone. So we have completed the political history from 2007 to 2017 BS. So from today we'll continue the two decade of from 2017 to 2037 BS. Subsequent to the dissolution of the party-based political system on 1st Pause 2017 BS, a new system of the rule was notified to the public on Pause 9. A nine-member cabinet were formed under the chairmanship of King Mahendra. All the political parties were declared outlaw and banned as well. Likewise, Panchayat system was announced to make the foundation of democracy strong from the bottom level. According to this, the election of the village panchayat was conducted in 2018 BS. Janakpur bombing incident occurred in Magh 2018 BS. On 1st Post 2019, the new constitution in the favor of new panchayat system was promulgated. After the end of the parliamentary system of King Mahendra, proclaimed the beginning of panchayati tradition on 22nd Pause 2017 BS. It was announced in the proclamation that the panchayat system was planted as the plant of democracy as per the Nepal's situation for the development and the construction of the welfare of all, and to establish a new power by removing the poverty, ignorance, and backwardness. It was claimed that after the ban of the political parties, that the panchayat system was the foundation of democracy, and the democracy imposed from the top had been proved to be the unsuccessful, and the panchayat system was tried to be directed to make the foundation of democracy strong from the every bottom, with the aim of increasing the interest of the people in the problem and progress of the nation through getting the Nepalese people involved in the local self-governance institutions. King Mahendra inaugurated the Rashtriya Panchayat, the apex legislative body, for the first time in 2020 BS. With the first amendment in the Constitution of 2023 BS, the Panchayat become partyless. So during the direct rule of King Mahendra and Birendra in the Panchayat system that started from 2017 BS, Dr. Tulsi Giri Surya Bahadur Thapa, the first Prime Minister in the Panchayat system, Kritinind Bista Narendra Prasad Rijal 2013 BS, Maritman Singh Lokendra Bahadur Chandra got the opportunity to head the Council of the Minister. The announcement of the referendum was made on 2036 BS J10. The Panchayat on the referendum held on the Baisakh 10 2037. Establishment of Ministry of National Supervision. The Ministry of National Supervision was established on Fagun 7, 2017 BS to integrate and develop the collective strength of the accomplishment of the goal fixed in a different sector. As per the National Supervision Act 2017, a high level National Supervision Council was formed, a ministry with the functions and duties to coordinate the different class of streaming them into the national life was merged into the Ministry of Panchayat in 20th Chaitra 2019 BS, and the council got dissolved in 2020. So the what were the efforts to reform the panchayat system? The election at the village and the city panchayat began for the first time. The time from the Fagun 7, 2018, following the first session of the National Panchayat Development Conference held for the first time in a Jet 2020 BS. A new National Code came into the effort from 1st Bhadar 2020 BS. A Land Reform Act was issued on Mansir 8th, 2021 BS. On the 6th also 2024 BS, King Mahendra, while inquired about the alternative to the Panchayat by sending a message to the National Panchayat. The meeting of National Panchayat unanimously passed a resolution on 11th Ashok that the Panchayat system had no alternative. It prepared a 10-point plan on Ashok 13 in which it was emphasized the rural development will be given emphasis for the development of the nation. An assembly of the Panchas held for the first time in the Bhadar and Ashok in 2033 BS. The assembly systemized the principles of Panchayat. So let us read about the referendum which was held in 2037 BS. The opposing views like political environment could not become fair, the lifestyle could not significantly rise, there was a price hike and activists of panchayat could not become popular, begin to appear among the protagonistic of panchayat system and the general public after 19 years of the rule of panchayat system from the 2017 to 2036 BS. On just 10th 2036 BS, King Berendra through his royal proclamation announces that there would be a referendum based on the adult franchises where the Nepalese people could choose one, keeping the panchayat system with improvement or multi-party system. The referendum took place on 20th Baisakh 2037 and the result was announced on Jan 2037. The panchayat system won with 24 lakh 33,452 votes, that is 54.8% of the total accepted votes of 48 lakh 13,000 this month. So the panchayat side won the vote. So we'll discuss now from referendum to the people's movement. From referendum to the people's movement, we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.